Hi, I'm Mr. Tralie, your math teacher for the year. I just want to give a quick introduction to myself now that we all know who's in whose class. Currently in our classroom. This is hopefully where I'll teach from if I can get all the tech to work, and hopefully you guys will be here eventually. You will be here eventually. I'm excited for the year. This is my start of my 11th year teaching after spending 25 years in industry as an engineer. It's definitely a weird start to the year, but the goal's the same as it is every year. If you're in my calc class, it's to get the fundamentals of calculus very firmly implanted in your mind. So when you get to college, you have no problem when you see it again. If you're in my Al 2 class, it's a little bit different. It's to learn how to learn and to make sure that you've got the baseline education you need for the future math courses you're going to take, for the SAT that you're going to take, or the ACT you're going to take. So I'm very, very into education. You never stop learning. I know education can take you places. It's taken me a lot of places. I know the lack of education can limit the places you can go. So again, very excited to have you in class. Can't wait to see you all. I'm going to try and work my way through the township to at least see you guys all before school starts or early on in the year. Since I'm here in my classroom, let me give you a little bit of a tour. Okay, so let me start on this side of the room. I'm the NASA guy. I worked 25 years as an engineer. I was a flight controls engineer, think autopilots. I did some work for NASA, Air Force, Army, Navy, on some strange government organizations that don't necessarily want to be named. This is a pretty famous photo. See if you guys can figure out what that is of and maybe what mission it was. Another famous picture. See if you know where that's from. I've spent the summer 3D printing a lot of things. I'm going to hang these from the ceiling of the room. This is Explorer 1 satellite. It was the first American satellite. It was a success. It was a failure. We'll talk about it some. This is the Voyager spacecraft, which was pretty exciting when I was young. Got sent out to see the entire solar system, and now it's beyond the solar system. There's a Hubble Space Telescope, the James Webb Space Telescope that hasn't been launched yet. This is Landsat 7. This is one of the jobs I did for NASA. It's an Earth observation satellite that's been taking pictures since April 15th, 1999 is when we launched it. That's a picture of our area from it. For the Navy, I did a little smart bullet, something we fired out of a cannon at 30,000 times the force of gravity, and then we had to steer it through the sky. So that was pretty neat as well. So in terms of education, this is my family. Some of you know that already. I've got two sons, both of them went through Upper Dublin. The older one now is a computer science and math professor at Ursinus. My wife is a French professor at Rider University. My younger son is a video and animator at NASA down in Goddard, where I spent time after we launched Landsat 7. And that is now my daughter-in-law, married to my older son, and she's just finishing her PhD at Johns Hopkins neuroscience. She'll be doing a postdoc at Temple soon. So you can see, kind of into education. My family is, I am as well. I'm going to goad you into it as well. So again, can't wait to see you guys. Enjoy the rest of your summer and expect more videos.